In this tutorial, we'll learn how to leverage AutoInsights to choose from the ready-to-use visuals in Oracle Analytics Cloud. AutoInsights scan my datasets and automatically generate visualizations I can use for analysis, helping me to go from a blank page to fully built visualization delivered by Oracle. They can pull important data points like key trends and anomalies from my data and can still be customized to fit my needs. I'll begin with a workbook loaded with a sales dataset and a blank canvas. When the AutoInsights light bulb turns yellow, it's ready to be used. AutoInsights are enabled by default, but I can also right-click my dataset folder, select Inspect, then click Enable Insights to manually enable them. To view my insights, I'll select the Insights icon, which opens the AutoInsights tab. There, I can expand it and scroll through all the insights about my data created by Oracle Analytics. Each visualization has a detailed description to help me understand what the visualization is about, like how to read it and why it qualifies to display in the panel. Typically, insights that show a high contrast in values will rank higher in the panel. For example, crossing line trends, high variations in bars, or the spread and scatter plots. I can drag any of these insights onto my workbook canvas by clicking the plus icon on a visualization, or by double-clicking the visualization itself. I'll add seasonality and trending dimensions. I can also customize these visualizations. For example, I can change the measure shown in the monthly seasonality chart from average profit to sales. I can customize the types of insights that are generated by deselecting the types I don't want to see. In this case, I'll select the measures, calculations, and attributes I want to focus on. When I click Apply, AutoInsights will refresh with my chosen settings to prepare a customized set of insights. I can now add these to my canvas for a more focused analysis. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Oracle Analytics Cloud in the links below.